Gentlemen, boys and girls, at this time I direct your attention onto the field where Deputy Director of Athletics Brad Hurlbut will present the championship rings to the two-time defending NEC champion women's cross-country team. Also, please welcome Executive Director of Athletics Bobby Valentine. First up, the NEC Coach of the Year, Christian Morrison. Faculty Mentor, Bernadette Boyle. Manager, Emily Averso. And now, the Pioneer Cross Country Team, Caitlin Adamczyk. Lindsay Arcuri, Molly Barker, Sarah Bent, Emma Golduck, Bridget Carey, Tara Connolly, Caroline Conti, Nicole Cote, Christine Donnelly, Cynthia Gray, Jennifer Hahn, Felix Harrell, Shannon Hickey, Megan Hutch, Elizabeth Hutchins, Mia Imbezi, Alexandra Caslin, Slane Kelly, Zoe Kelly, Shannon Langdon, Trista Leo, Lindsay Lucas, Victoria Musiera, Christina Martello, Stephanie Messier, Sarah Nachi, Carrie Ann Nordland, Leah O'Neill, Samantha Pignatelli, Kelly Quinn, Maria Schwab, Kate Sheridan, Kate Svensson, Danielle Volaro. Congratulations to the NEC Women's Cross Country Champion 2014. Let's hear it for your Sacred Heart Pioneers Women's Cross Country Team. The men's and women's cross-country team competed against Stony Brook today. The women won, and the men had some finishers in the top 5. Once again, congratulations to the women's and the men's cross-country teams. Now fans, please welcome your nationally ranked Sacred Heart University. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome the pride of Sacred Heart, the Sacred Heart University Marching Band. Fans, we're again